and capture the essence of your cherished moments. Let's get started on this creative journey. When it comes to photo editing on your smartphone, several standout apps can help you achieve stunning results. Snapseed is a favorite for its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, allowing for precise adjustments and filters. VSCO offers a unique blend of filters and editing features, perfect for creating a cohesive aesthetic on your social media. Adobe Lightroom, known for its professional-grade capabilities, provides advanced editing options and presets that can elevate your photos significantly. Each of these apps has unique features that cater to different editing styles, so we encourage you to explore them and unleash your creativity. To enhance your photos effectively, mastering a few fundamental editing techniques is essential. First, cropping allows you to focus on the subject by removing distractions from the edges, creating a more impactful image. Next, adjusting brightness can dramatically improve the overall mood of your photo, making it feel more vibrant or moody, depending on your preference. Lastly, applying filters can add a unique touch, transforming the look and feel of your images. Don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and settings. The beauty of editing lies in discovering what resonates with your creative vision. Let your imagination run wild. For those looking to take their photo editing skills to the next level, advanced techniques can unlock a world of creative possibilities. Layering allows you to combine multiple images or effects, creating depth and complexity in your photos. Blending modes can dramatically alter how layers interact, producing stunning visual effects that can enhance your images in unexpected ways. Selective adjustments enable you to fine-tune specific areas of your photo, drawing attention to key elements while keeping the rest subtle. We encourage you to push your creative boundaries and experiment with these advanced tricks to truly make your photos stand out. Lighting plays a crucial role in photography, significantly impacting the quality and mood of your images. Utilizing natural light can enhance your photos, making colors more vibrant and details sharper. The golden hour, shortly after sunrise or before sunset, is often considered the best time for shooting, as the soft, warm light creates a beautiful glow. Overcast days can also provide even lighting, reducing harsh shadows. We encourage you to experiment with different lighting conditions, such as backlighting or side lighting, to discover how they can transform your photos. Embrace the power of natural light to elevate your photography. Creating a great photo starts with strong composition, and a few key techniques can make a significant difference. The rule of thirds is a fundamental guideline that suggests dividing your frame into a grid, placing your subject along these lines or at their intersections for a balanced look. Leading lines can guide the viewer's eye through the image, adding depth and interest. Additionally, experimenting with framing, using elements in your environment to encircle your subject, can create a more engaging composition. Perspective also plays a vital role. Changing your angle can lead to unique and captivating shots. We encourage you to think creatively about your photo setups. Once you've edited your stunning photos, it's time to share them with the world. Instagram is a top choice for visual storytelling, where high-quality images and engaging captions can attract a dedicated following. Pinterest is perfect for showcasing your creativity, as it allows users to discover and save inspiring content. So consider optimizing your photos for vertical formats. Facebook offers a more personal touch where you can share your images with friends and family, encouraging interaction through comments and shares. We encourage you to engage with your audience by asking for feedback and sharing your creative process, fostering a vibrant community around your photography. In this video, we explored various techniques for transforming your photos using simple phone tricks. We covered essential apps for editing, basic and advanced editing techniques, the importance of natural light, and composition tips to enhance your images. Remember, the key to stunning photos lies in practice and experimentation with these methods. We encourage you to try out the techniques shared today and see how they can elevate your photography. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow photography enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to unleash your creative potential.